Hello, my name is Daniel Hakey. This is EE1000 Breadboard power supply assignment. This is my wonderful case. You see, very safe in there, no bouncing around. Here's the power supply. First I'm going to plug it in. And then turn it on. And then as I change the voltage, the red light will change in intensity. So first I will measure, start it over. I'm going to measure the 3.3 volts. .3398. Now I'm going to measure 5 volts. .0431. Now I'm going to adjustable. This is the maximum setting first. .995. Now I'm going to put it down to the minimum. 1.2522.